Here's BonChat app, the new messenger, which is getting more and more traction in US. So this is the messenger from Hong Kong originally, and yeah, it's getting more popularity. It's available on Google Play Store, on iOS, on iPhone and iPad. Welcome to BonChat, your ultimate solution for secure and private communication. With BonChat, you can enjoy seamless messaging, file sharing, and collaboration, all protected by state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption. So your messages and files are encrypted from the moment they leave your device until they reach the recipient, ensuring that only you and your chosen contacts can read or access them. Private or on-premise server deployment. So take control of your data with our private on-premise server deployment option. Host BonChat on your own servers for total peace of mind, knowing that your communication is secure and under your control. So you can do that. Experience advanced group functionality with BonChat's robust group management features. Create, manage, and customize group effortlessly while controlling member permission in detail for enhanced collaboration. User-friendly interface. BonChat is designed for everyone. Our intuitive interface make it easy to send messages, share files, and manage your contacts without compromising security. Cross-platform support. Whether you're on a smartphone, tablet, desktop, BonChat provides a seamless experience across all devices, ensuring you stay connected anytime, anywhere. So yeah, that's the idea. It's not easy to get it started because it requires some complicated install. Actually, if you need to set up your own BonChat server, as I understand, and then you can use the app. So then you need to buy this BonChat thingy. It's not a free app, so to install a server you need to buy a license, and it's not cheap, as I understand, so it's not that easy. But maybe if you have a team, maybe in the company, if you want to really have a secure secure messenger in your group of people, in your team, in your company, you can use that. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Pretty cool app. This, as I understand, again, this is just a messenger app, but you install in your own server, and it's can be not easy. But once you done that, then security is quite good. So yeah, that's basically what it is in a nutshell.